All right, let's try example 2. And we are looking at y equals negative 3x squared plus 8. Because I see the squared, I know that my parent function would be y equals x squared. So y equals x squared, what I'm looking at there is 0, 0, over 1, up 1, 1 squared is 1, over 2, up 4, 2 squared is 4. Back 1, up 1, negative 1 squared is 1, and then back 2, up 4, negative 2 squared is 4. So there's my parent function. I start with my parent function not because it's the end answer, but because this is what I'm going to move around to get this answer. So what I'm looking for is up 8 because there's a plus 8 there. And then the negative means it will be facing down, reflection across the x-axis. And the 3 is going to stretch it. Oops. Okay, so I am going to first, I'm going to do them kind of in stages. So first I'm going to move it up 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so there's my vertex. And it's going to be hard to do an intermediate one here. I usually like to do kind of a secondary graph and then my final graph, but I'm going to run out of room. But it would be something, you know, up like that. Okay, now I'm reflecting. I'm reflecting across this line right here because when I moved up 8, my x-axis actually also got moved up 8. So I'm going to be starting here, and I have to face down, and my stretch is with a vertical stretch of a factor of 3, which means instead of over 1, down 1, which would be a typical parabola, I'm going to go over 1, down 3. Back 1, down 3. That just means my vertical distance between this line and where my dots are used to be 1, and now it's 3. When I started this one, I went over 2, up 4, so my vertical distance here was 4. I have to multiply that by 3, so my vertical distance is multiplied by 3. So 4 times 3 is 12, so I'm going to go back to the vertex and go over 2, down 12, and then back 2, down 12. That is my final graph, the pink version.